Hello guys, welcome to part 4 of building a hotel booking system from scratch using Codex plus ChatGPT. So this is where we left it off. We got the response from Codex. So we copy the response and paste it to ChatGPT. And let's see what ChatGPT says about this work that Codex has done. It says add a real booking experience, its highest priority. Right now users search immediately, make it feel like booking.com or Marriott. Search result page, instead of showing results directly under the text hero, it gave us a plan. Then on rooms.php show search summary at the top, filter sidebars, available rooms, sort by. Build a proper room details page. Instead of one basic room page, create something like Airbnb, include large image gallery, etc. Interactive image gallery. Okay, animated statistics, award sections, nerdy attractions, weather widgets, restaurant menu preview, FAQ sections, better footer, floating buttons, animations, search improvements, sticky booking bar. Okay. So obviously we're not gonna say to make it all at once. So let's select the better ones. Make a sticky booking also from 1 to 5 maybe. Yes. From 1 to 5 steps. Ask Codex to make it all that. Okay, so this is where we left it off. It looked distant for now. It's not bad, but of course it could look way better. So let's go. Send the prompt. Okay, we got the prompt ready. It says main goal, make the booking experience feel like a real hotel website, not just a simple form. Do not break. So currently it's listing the things that do not break, because Codex and AI tools, they break a lot of things. So while they're fixing another thing, they will break another thing. So that's why I'm saying talk to another AI like ChatGPT to make a plan and send it to another AI, if you get what I'm saying. So let's copy this. It also says, also add this line at the end, do not only add visuals, make the entire 5-step booking flow functional from search to confirmation. Okay, let's copy it. Also put this at the end. Okay, perfect. Let's go. If you guys use GitHub, you can go to my GitHub page and you can view all my contributions, everything. You can view it and you can download the code, you can copy something, you can learn more things. That's a plus. So for example, I recently made this dental clinic. It's worked in PHP, MySQL, JavaScript. It's responsive, of course. It's double language, bilingual. This is the overview, the homepage, mobile experience, the features, the admin dashboard. So basically at the end we want to look like this something. This page like this, more professional. Also the booking page should look like this somewhat. Yeah, so let's wait for the prompt to finish, and I leave my GitHub link in the bio, or you can just see the link right here. Just PCART Web, PICARTWEB, and you can see all my work on there. Also, you can join my Discord at the link in the bio, where you can learn more, you can get free resources, you can share code, you can network with people, etc. Okay guys, Codex is finished. So let's see what is changed. A lot of file, looks like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, So let's copy it, go back to ChatGPT, give the link, and meanwhile, let's see what it have worked in. Okay, let's refresh it. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I fixed it. Okay, so it's sticky booking system. Okay, I think it haven't changed. It's like it was always been like this. Okay, let's search room. Let's put a date, 16th to 17th, one night. Actually, it's not searching. Yeah, it's searching, but as you can see, the room preview takes up the top part, so you cannot see this filter right here, so we must move this to up there. But it's pretty nice job, no? It has a lot of work to do, but I think it looks nice. Let's see the details. Yeah, it's very nice. You can see the rooms. It's not clickable yet. Okay, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning. Yeah. Okay, let's continue booking. Check in, check out. First name, test, 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 test.com. Swiss, like for example, 4:40 p.m. Optional review booking. Okay. Confirm reservation. Reservation is confirmed. Okay, perfect. So let's head over here. Yep, we instantly saw the chart jumping in on the July 10. We have one booking and it's pending. Let's go to the rooms. All are active, of course. After I accept it, I think one will be taken. Okay, so let's confirm it. It added the money. Availability. We have room 301 is not available. We go to bookings. Rooms. These are the rooms that are active. We can go to the dashboard. We can see confirmed, so everything is working perfectly. So let's head over to ChatGPT and let's see what it says. This is becoming a very solid portfolio project. At this point, I will stop polishing the homepage and start adding features that real hotels actually use. Hotel features, my booking had, okay. Okay, of course we have to add authentication. Upcoming bookings. Okay, it's not real bad. Okay, send full message to Codex. Meanwhile, it sends the message. Let's go here. Let's copy this. Let's go to the database. Delete this. It's supposed to be somewhere around here. Yep, found it. Let's close this one. Let's open this table. So let's copy it. So in table bookings, yeah. So let's run it. Okay, so Codex automatically run it, so that's why we got this error. So we allowed Codex to automatically run it. So we can see here we have this permission here, so it don't ask for approval. So maybe that's why I wanted to ask, but we automatically did approve for me, so that's why I didn't ask. Okay, so okay, as you can see, we got the prompt. So let's send this prompt back to Codex and we'll see you on the next video. Wait, let me see if it's all the text. Wow, big ass text. Yeah, it is. Let's send it and I'll see you guys on the next video. I appreciate for watching.